Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we're showing you how to fix Google Play games not opening in PC with a few easy and reliable steps. Step 1. Open your browser, type Install Hyper-V in the search bar, and click on the official Microsoft website. Find the command code shown on the page, then copy it exactly as it is. Step 2. Click on the Start menu, search for PowerShell, then right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Paste the command you copied earlier, hit Enter, and once the process finishes, restart your PC. Step 3. After restarting, click the Start menu again, search for Control Panel, and open it. Go to Programs and Features, then click Turn Windows Features on or off. Find Hyper-V in the list and make sure it's turned on. Step 4. Now, try opening Google Play games again. If it still doesn't open, uninstall and reinstall the app from the official site, as this refreshes any corrupted files and fixes most launch issues. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tech tips.